National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kosciuszko County, Indiana, southeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. This severe storm was located 6 miles west of or 7 miles north of Rochester and moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Get out of the way.
Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Winona Lake and Warsaw. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Sevastopol, Burkett, Palestine, Claypool, Packerton, Sydney, and Worcester. This is a dangerous severe thunderstorm. If you are in the path, prepare immediately for damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, along with deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko and Marshall. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3